Hi guys, thanks for watching again. Here's my Hmong item of the day. It's the black and white ribbon that wraps around the purple hat. This is more traditional, I believe, and it's just black and white stripes that wrap around the hat. I've seen like wider ones. It can be thinner or wider. I guess just depending on your face. It'll make you look skinnier or it matches your face better, but here's this one. It's just taped on. I bought it I bought it this way. It was already taped just like this when I bought it. But yep. And then if you watched my other video, I took the stripe one off, and I put that colorful one on. This one. So then here's that ribbon that I took off. I know I might have ruined it, but still okay. Look, the tape is still on there. But yeah, basically they just fold the fabric together and then just put tape on it and then stick it on. But yep, there. It looks a lot. This one's really long. I feel like it's not, I don't know, it shouldn't be this much, like, this long. But I think there's two of them in here. Yeah, I think that's why. But yeah, wraps around this hat. So there you go, black and white stripes that fabric that wraps around the Hmong purple hat. Thanks for watching, guys.